What's up, everybody? Welcome to Monday, another week of trading here on the channel. Unfortunately for me, I will only be here this week on Monday and tomorrow on Tuesday. Won't be here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I am going to try to get some other videos out those days. We'll see. I got a pretty packed schedule coming up. But for today's video, we got two trades in, two shorts, a short in FUTU and a short in TXG. So stick around. Let's go. Let's trade. Okay, so first trade was here on FUTU right out of the opening gates, a minute into market open. You can see it starting to alert here on the scanner to the right of my beautiful face. So I'm watching it here as it pushes up through 49, looking for a move up towards 49.50. Can it get up towards there? See it start to stall there a little bit at the 40s, so I go ahead and get ready, see if we can pop up through the 40s one more time. I go ahead and click the button, get short there, 100 shares here on FUTU at 49.42, and then it starts coming down immediately. Look at that, immediately down to 49 almost. So I'm watching it here, looking for cover, see if we can get under 49. There it's under. I click half, take half off there. It gets it down even further, and I'm going to go ahead and take another half off right there quickly. So just like that, I'm out 3/4 of my position within the same candle that I started the short on, and I'm left with 25 shares here now on FUTU, and I'm like, yeah, that was a pretty good pullback. What are we going to do here? Well, if I start to see it look like it's going to push back up, I'll probably just cover out the whole thing. So it starts pushing up here. I cover out the whole thing, and I'm all out there for $53 on the first trade of the day. A little bit later in the morning, I'm watching pretty much nothing. It was slow all day, but then all of a sudden the scanner hit me again. If you look to my right, you see TXG start to highlight there. I pull up TXG. It's making a pretty decent move. I'm going to look to see if it can push up a little bit higher. So I'm watching it here, looking to see if it get up through into the 40.80s or so. Can it break the 40.80s on a push towards 41? There it is. I go ahead, click the button, get short. 100 shares here at 40.81 on TXG. Now on this one, my original thought was to wait for under 40.50 for taking some covers off. If we can get under 40.50 on the ask, and what they ask under 40.50, just because that'll give me a better shot. But then look what it does, shoots all the way down to 40, just like that. And I go ahead and quickly cover out 2 times there for another 3/4 of my position here out in TXG. Once again, wanting to see if I can let the remaining just 25 shares go, make a little bit more, but you never know what's going to happen. It could crash all the way back down. So unfortunately, that's not what happens. A few minutes go by, it came back up, and at this point, I was like, you know what? It's about time to go to the gym. So I just decided to cover the rest out right there, and I'm all out of TXG for a $54.25 gain. But a really nice move right there. I'll take those every single time, nice and fast, just how I like them. So that's it for me today, up about $107 on the day. Nothing big, but pretty easy overall on both trades. And when it's easy and stress-free, I will take that every time and add a little bit of money into the account. I do, once I get my feet under me, maybe the rest of January, continue going pretty small. And then once I'm sure that I've got everything set how I want it with the new broker and the new platform and all that, maybe start ramping up a little bit from there. So probably expect pretty small throughout the rest of the month, and then assuming all goes well in January, start to maybe push things a little bit further up in as far as the sizing and the P&L and all that stuff goes. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did you guys trade FUTU or TXG today? If you did, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time.